Hey everyone, my name is John Kalimag, your student nurse at the National University Block Nursing 213. So for today, I will do the deep breathing procedure, and to start with, I will do the hand hygiene procedure. It reduces the transmission of the microorganism. Next. So as you can see, before I entered the patient room, I knocked the door for the privacy of the patient. So, good day, sir. My name is John Kalimag, your student nurse for today. So, sir, may I know your name?
My name is Arvin Sibilabo.
So, today, I will do to teach you a deep breathing and coughing exercise. Is that okay for you?
Yes.
So, today, I will be teaching you the deep breathing and coughing, which is very helpful for you to clear out your lungs. Okay, sir, can you sit properly? I suggest you to sit erect. This position promotes optimal lung expansion during respiratory maneuver. Now, sir, I would like you to do is to breathe through your nose and out of your first lips. Is that okay, sir? Okay. Like this, sir. Okay, it's your turn, sir. Okay, that was good. Can you breathe more? I'd like your ribs to expand as the air fill up your lungs. It's okay, sir? Okay, sir, it is good. Can you do it 2 more times? Okay, sir, thank you. So, next, now when you take a deep breath, I like you to hold it for 3 seconds and slowly exhale it like this. Okay, you got it, sir? Okay, now it's your turn. Okay. Now, again, sir, can you repeat? Okay. So, as you can see, this procedure, it maintains maximal inspiration, reduces risk for progressive collapse of individual alveoli. Next. And now, in addition to your deep breathing, it is important also, sir, to cough regularly as well. So, now I suggest you to hold a pillow which helps to support and elevate some discomfort. Sir? Sir, to start, breathe through your nose and cough twice like this. Sir, may I? Okay. Like this, sir. Okay, sir. Can you do this, sir? Okay, sir, that was a good start. So I suggest you to repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times per hour while you are awake. Okay, next. So this procedure, it provides lung expansion and promotes clearing airways, especially in patients with underlying disease. Using controlled cough techniques reduces risk for coughing spasm. So, do you have any questions, sir? So, that's it, sir. So, thank you for the cooperating and have a nice day. So, to end this procedure, I will do the hand hygiene to reduce the transmission of microorganisms. And that's all. Thank you.